how did Miracle Whip get its name? Well, in the beginning, Miracle Whip was crafted in-house by the food company Kraft Foods and introduced to the American market in the 1930s during the Great Depression as a cheaper alternative to mayonnaise. The company marketed Miracle Whip as a versatile spread that could be used in various recipes and on sandwiches. Over the years, no surprise, it gained popularity and became a staple in many American households. In developing this novel product, Kraft's engineers devised a groundbreaking mixing machine. The invention was so effective at producing a consistent product at a rapid pace that the engineers affectionately named this machine the Miracle Whip. It earned this nickname not for creating Miracle Whip itself, but for its exceptional ability to whip up the product to perfection at an incredible pace. Interestingly, the product adopted its name, as it was clear that the Miracle Whip machine was responsible for producing the soon-to-be-popular condiment. The ingredients of Miracle Whip include soybean oil, water, vinegar, sugar, eggs, salt, mustard flour, and natural flavors. To all intents and purposes, the term natural flavor is defined by the FDA as a substance extracted, distilled, or similarly derived from natural sources like plants, such as fruits, herbs, veggies, barks, roots, or animals, meat, dairy products, eggs, and so on. It's also important to note that Miracle Whip has a different recipe than traditional mayonnaise, which usually includes egg yolks instead of whole eggs. It's no fault of their own. Some people do mix up Miracle Whip and mayonnaise. Hey, they both have a creamy texture and they are used similarly, so we get it. However, it is technically not classified as mayonnaise because it contains less oil and has a different flavor profile. You might be wondering about the tang of Miracle Whip. Well, the tang comes from the addition of vinegar and mustard flour, giving it a more zesty kick. It's labeled as salad dressing, not mayonnaise. As you know, Miracle Whip is commonly used as a spread, but it can also be used as an ingredient in various recipes, including salads, dips, dressings, and even used in baking recipes like cakes. One of the most famous recipes featuring Miracle Whip is the Miracle Whip Salad. It's probably one of the most unoriginal names, but it typically includes chopped vegetables, diced pickles, and sometimes hard-boiled eggs mixed with Miracle Whip. This salad became famous, and we're using famous very loosely here, in the mid-20th century as a quick and refreshing summer dish. Miracle Whip, as we all know, has a polarizing effect on people's taste buds. Some love its tangy sweetness, while others find it absolutely revolting and nothing like traditional mayonnaise, which they're right, it is nothing like traditional mayonnaise. Its distinctive flavor has sparked debates and divided opinions for years and probably for years to come. So are you Team Miracle Whip or Team Mayo? As always, thanks for watching. We're only a Miracle Whip away from our next episode, my friends.